most fascinating object which is visible from Earth, and it's always been the most researched object in space. The moon has a core, mantle, and crust. Its core is proportionally smaller than other terrestrial bodies, core like Earth, Mars, other planets. The inner core is 149 miles in radius, while is approx 140 kilometers. It is surrounded by 90 km of liquid iron shell, a partially molten layer with a thickness of 150 kilometers surrounds the iron core. The mantle extends from the top of the partially molten layer to the bottom of the moon's crust. It is most likely made up of minerals like olivine and pyroxene, which are made up of magnesium ion, silicon, and oxygen atoms. The crust has a thickness of about 70 kilometers on the moon's near side hemisphere and 150 kilometers on the far side. It is composed of oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, calcium, and aluminium, with small amount of titanium, uranium, thorium, potassium, and hydrogen. The moon is rotating at the same rate that it revolves around Earth, called synchronous rotation. So the same hemisphere faces Earth all the time. Some people call the far side the hemisphere we never see from Earth, the dark side. But this is misleading. The dark side of the moon is night of the moon, which is completely out of sunlight. It can be far side and near side. It is the region of full moon and new moon. The moon makes a complete orbit around Earth in 27 Earth days and rotates or spins at the same rate or in that same amount of time, because Earth is moving as well, rotating on its axis, and it orbits the sun from our perspective. The moon appears to orbit us every 29 days. There are some theories about formation of moon. The moon was likely formed after a Mars-sized body collided with Earth several billions of years ago. Earth's only natural satellite is simply called the Moon because people did not know other moons existed until Galileo Galilei discovered four moons orbiting Jupiter in 1610. In Latin, the moon was called Luna, which is the main adjective for all things moon related lunar. The newly found moon was in the molten state, but within about 100 million years, most of the global magma ocean had crystallized with less dense rocks floating upward and eventually forming the lunar crust. These theories are given by NASA. For more information, check the link in description. Thanks.